All right, y'all. So we just pulling up, just getting out the truck, man. Kind of just to give you a little clue of where we at, a little example of where we at, kind of what it looked like. We up in the mountains by Mount Rainier. You can hear the water. They've been doing some construction out here or something going on, but we found a cool little spot. Leave no trace. That means clean up behind yourself. That's right. It's a cool little area. Big old tree. Little trails all throughout here. People done been out here probably for years. Somebody wrote on the little trees, do your best. Wow, sure looks clear right there. Peaceful. This is what we come out here for, man. We come out here, man, just to enjoy some peace, man, nature. You know, that's what life's about, man. Finding your zen, your meditation, your motivation. Find out what you here for, man. What's your purpose? What you here to do? Yeah, this is a beautiful little area, man.